Ready. I don't know if there are going to be some tie-break implications para dito sa kupunan ng Benilde. But if they win, they still make it to the Final Four. But what position will they be in as Freyan Garcia opens the fifth set with a point?
You know, I liked it during the break. Ang ingay-ingay ng Mapua in their huddle. And they were really just having fun. So proud of what they have achieved, bringing themselves to the fifth set na akala mo tapos na after the two sets.
Well, Lorraine Yap has found a new position here, but Rhea Densing continues to demolish the defense.
Yeah, Densing is still somebody that you have to go to kung gusto mo ng puntos. Kasi kung hindi man siya makapuntos ng diretso, napapahirapan niya yung offense ng Mapua.
But will her performance go for naught dito, Chiki? Because if Mapua takes this, try again na naman ang Benilde.
Tingnan natin.
Basarte on the run, Sam Nolasco!
Ang ganda nung setup na yun ni Basarte. No blocker there for Nolasco. Na-confuse yung defense ng Mapua kung kanino mapupunta yung attack.
Nolasco, nilabas na niya yung kanyang pampalo eh.
Oo.
Kitang-kita na kung anong balak niyang gawin. 2-1 Benilde. Rica Blanca gets it back off the hands of Bartolome.
Yeah. And Rica Blanca does it well. She goes for the down-the-line hit kasi walang tao doon. Nahawakan pa niya yung kamay ni Bartolome.
And Rica Blanca now serving. Basarte back set, then Sing again. Rebustes gets to it. They'll go to Raisa once again. Dorog, habol. Rhea Densing, sent back by Nicole Ong.
Si Nicole Ong, alam na niya pag nandyan si Densing, chances are ibibigay sa kanya yung bola. Kaya binabantayan niya. Look at that. Andun na siya, Hindi pa nakatira si Densing. She knew it.
Cross court, sarado. Walang mapuntahan. Mapua now up by 1. Rica Blanca. Basarte back set, then Sing. Nice. Binilisan na.
Ang ganda ng power tip niya. Hindi na siya nag-cross court, naghulog na lang siya to zone 4.
And Rhea Densing now nasa likuran, pero nakita naman natin kanina may back row threat din siya. Wow, nice serve. Lumiliko. Rica Blanca. Basarte goes where? Nolasco. Habol. Hindi na maabutan ni Rebustes.
Sobrang lakas ng palo ni Nolasco. If you can't block her, sana man lang madaplisan ng kamay ng blockers because it's going to be very hard for the floor defense to control her
Si
ball.
Rebustes, nadaplisan yung cameraman natin.
Okay naman siya.
Okay naman. Lead to Benilde. Not for long. Nicole Ong.
Grabe naman yung palo na yun. Hinabol na niya, linihis pa niya yung bola because Nolasco was in front of her.
So Ong ties it up. Freyan Garcia wants to give the Lady Cardinals the lead once again. Oh, what a serve.
Yeah, what a serve. Let's see if she could be consistent.
Sino ba tinarget niya sa likod? Lieses?
Attacker.
Napapailing na lang itong si Rain Lieses.
Another good one.
Lieses, better reception this time. Bartolome against two defenders. Tatawid sa panig ng Benilde. Bartolome tries again, this time too strong.
Yeah, there was no blocker there. Talagang mataas yung bola ni Bartolome.
Things are falling apart in terms of the offense ng Benilde. Puro hitting errors na nakikita natin.
Tsaka in terms of yung atmosphere sa court. Kasi kita mo itong Mapua, nag-enjoy sila tawa sila ng tawa inside the court. And itong Benilde, seryoso na talaga. They're concentrating on the errors.
Nolasco with another error, but no, natamaan daw ni Nicole Ong yung bola.
She was very confident. There were fingers that touched the ball.
5 serving 6. Camila Bartolome. Up to serve the freshman, the 18-year-old. Rebustes gets to it. Oh, missed it, pero nahabol pa rin ni Liabres.
Okay pa yun.
Nolasco, yan ang hindi okay.
Nice one by Nolasco. Kita mo yun, pagkatira niya, walk away agad siya. Alam niya, puntos na.
Iniisip niya, tagal na naghihintay ng taxi ko sa baba. If you're just joining us, Benil took the first 2 sets easily, but Mapua grabbed the next 2 to force our 5th set. And serving now para sa Benil is Francis May Flores. Back in. Gavica, Liapres, naabangan ni Nolasco. Not a good idea. Rebusta si Tatawid. Basarte, kabila, Lieses. Inangat ni Garcia. Liapres. Good coverage that time by Mapua. Garcia out of position. Tinulak na lamang. Binuhay pa rin. Lieses almost. Garcia. Basante running attack again for Nolasco. Another long rally. Ong gets it across. Basarte, Nolasco. Dug up by Rebustes. Liapres, too strong. Was there a block touch? No. And Aying Esteban will contest this. Block touch. Walang umaamin na rito sa Benil. 5th set na daw eh.
Alam nila na Mapua na meron daw ng block touch. So they need to challenge it.
Block touch challenge. Para dito sa Mapua kanina, babait pa lang, no? Ako ngayon, wala na daw. But obviously,
ayun,
there was.
Nice, good eye.
That was Zam Nolasco ang matatawagan doon. At sabi ni Nolasco, hindi ko yata naramdaman yun.
Minsan kasi pag ganun kabilis yung play, di ba? Yung adrenaline mo rin adds to it. Hindi mo na nararamdaman yung mga touches na minute touches on the ball.
So, minute lead also. Para dito sa kupunan ng Mapua, they're up now 7-6. Binaliktad lang yung score because of the success of the challenge as Bartolome comes back in. So it is 7 Mapua, 6 Benilde. Ong serving.
Nice.
And the drop shot is going to work. That will tie it up.
Yeah,
7-all, yeah.
Dito kailangan tingnan mo na kung what would work best, yung mga soft touches or yung mga hard hits. And if you can reserve some energy for the later points or later part of this set, i-reserve mo.
Meron pa daw. Kailangan linisin, sabi ni Garcia.
Baka kasi madulas di ba? Napahiga kasi doon si Ong kanina.
7-all. Samantha Nolasco. 8-7 on the changeover. So the Lady Cardinals, with a record of 1 win and 5 losses, have a 1-point lead in the 5th set. Balikan muna natin yung mga naging kaganapan so far dito, Chiki, sa ating 5th set.
You know, ang Mapua is playing loosely. They're free-flowing. Naiikot nila yung bola. Ang ganda ng transition from defense to offense. And Ong, leadership niya, kitang-kita mo. Nagsasalita in the court. And she also performs and brings in the point for her team.
But also, Freyan Garcia and Raisa Rica Blanca haven't really said much. Dinadala sa ngiti. But they have been performing very well as well. So, Jem Gavica, who's also done a marvelous job distributing para dito sa kupunan ng Mapua. Set to put it in play. A little bit of a lull here. Tinitignan kung sino bang libero dapat na nasa loob para sa Benilde when the changeover happened. Right now, it's Jess Adorov, the captain, on the floor. And looks like we're okay to continue the 5th set. Jem Gavica. Ondangan. Dug up by Rebustes. Pahiga na halos doon si Liapres. Densing, back row. Natapikan ni Yap. Ondangan! Power tip.
Ganda. Hindi niya kailangan tirahin ng malakas yun. Nakita niya kasi na the blockers were there, so she has to do something right away. Goes for a power tip.
And she ties the score at 8. Chen Basarte. Big shoes to fill after graduation. Ito si Clo Mondoñedo.
Oo nga. But she's performing well.
Wow, your
Look
host
at that.
performing well, Rhea Densing.
And Densing looking good because of Bazarte.
Balik ang abante sa Benilde. Rica Blanca, Bartolome. Napasobra. And that is a gift for Rica Blanca.
Akala mo madali lang i-receive yung mga high balls na ganun eh. Pero actually mahirap din siya makontrol. That's what happened there. And it was a free ball for Rica Blanca.
Marami na rin factor siya. May pectus, pinapawisan na rin yung braso mo. Very close to being a service error. Rhea Densing can't put it away. Free ball from Mapua. Dorog, Bazarte, Densing, and she gets it in.
You know, at that time, you wouldn't know kung sino yung titira. Dalawa yung tumalon eh sa Benilde. But their eyes were on Densing. Look at that.
Natangay. Natangay ni Undangan yung isa, no?
Yes.
9-all. Rica Blanca off the hands of Bartolome. Lamang na naman ang Mapua, needing 5 more points to pull off the upset. Lorene Yap. Sharp serve again. Bazarte to Densing again. And Rhea Densing is taking everything on her shoulders now, Chiki.
Parang may remote control siya dun sa bola eh. Talagang kung saan niya gustong pumunta yung bola, diretso dun yung bola. And the spots that she chooses are the ones that are just right in front of the player.
Wala ka ng laban pag ganon. Undangan serving. Benilde up 1. Rica Blanca dug up by Densing. They'll stay with Rhea. Densing again. And she finds the line.
Again, si Densing, not that hard of a hit, but the placement was perfect for her.
Look at this. Rhea Densing attack right there in zone 1. Timeout, Clarence Esteban.
Nag-receive doon sa isipin, tatlo lang yung spiker mo. Huwag kang bato ng bato. Diba? Tapos, ang atake, nila sa kabila, puro drop ball na lang, basa na lang ng basa. So huwag kayong manigas, huwag kayong magmadali. Pag nakita nyo, angat nyo lang dahan-dahan, tapos atake lang tayo. Okay, sa ngayon, tatlo, nasa gitna kayo, nasa streak ka.
Palabas ako. Dito ko.
Nakapwesto nung pala yun. Dahan-dahan, kailangan mo natin receive ng maayos. Tapos discard na.
Let's go! Let's go!
Blazers have scored the last 3 points of this match.
Kailangan yung coverage ng Mapua is on point. Kailangan even at the back, binabantayan nila because madaming long balls coming from Benilde.
But Christy Undangan, 3 points away on Benilde to enter the Final Four. Gavica, Nicole again!
Talagang hindi papayag si team captain Ong.
How can she have no blockers on that side, cross court?
Ang bilis kasi nung goal niya eh.
Nako, ito na naman si Tambasakan at saka si Kabadin.
Here we go.
The headache for Benilde is back. Tambasakan. Combination, Nolasco. Kept alive. Garcia over the defense. Nandoon si Bazarte. Densing. And a block point for Nicole Ong.
On the coverage, lahat ng tao para sa Benilde na sa harap, walang natira sa likod. That's why when the ball went back from that block, wala, nobody was able to get that ball up.
And Ong's defense has tied this match at 12. One team is 3 points away from the win. Tambasakan. Bartolome and pinatawid na lamang yon ni Bazarte. Great defense by Bartolome.
Yeah, kaya ngayon outside hitter na si Nolasco kasi Bartolome and Nolasco in front is a good tandem.
Interchangeable, both very long. And again, Bartolome, the shorter blocker, not by much. 13-12 Benilde. And Garcia ties it up again.
Garcia going for the off-the-block point. If you have established blockers in front of you, huwag mo nang kalabanin. Gamitin mo na lang yung blockers, and that's what she did.
Freyan Garcia is going to serve. Again, one team is 2 points away from the win. Bartolome. Basarte adjusting. Densing firing from the back. There she goes again.
Again, no, si Densing going for those long balls. Kailangan talaga bantayan si Densing kahit na nasa likod siya.
Match point to Benilde. Timeout to Mapua.
Pinakawalan pa lang. Sino kukuha nun? Sino yung nasa mo? Kay Chuchay, setter? Eh, sa'yo po babagsak yun. Diba? Sayang naman yun. Sino nasa harapan? Tatlo. Okay, pagka umaatake, habaan lang ng habaan yung bola. Lagi ulit doon sa coverage tayo mag-ready. Chay, kung kayang i-lance kahit pag-opposite, wing spiker, ready lang na ready. Yung coverage, ready na agad tayo. Okay, Greg, ha? Galaw mo yung bola mo para ano rin.
Yung coverage natin na.
Okay?
Yung cover lang.
Let's go.
Girls, pag nakuha.
Isa lang, isa.
Ready ka rin na!
Nung third set, nagawa nilang humabol sa tatlong match point itong Mapua
Yeah.
and win. Now they are down 1 match point. Supposed to be an easier assignment, but can they do it?
Can they do it? Let's see. You've got Tambasakan there as their setter, so you can depend on her.
Bartolome just needs to get this in. She does. What a serve. Under duress. Kapanin. Densing. Nolasco finishes the job.
This time, si Nolasco was able to go back to her position and get that final hit done. What a match.
And what a close one here for Jerry Yee and the rest of the Benilde Blazers. But they are through to the Final Four. At dumaan pa sa butas ng karayom, Cheeky Pablo, for them to get that done.
But ang ganda nung ginawa ng Mapua. Never say die. They kept fighting till the end. The combination of Kabadin and Tambasakan, it was really, ang ganda ng pasok nun.
So a 5-set win that took 17 minutes to accomplish.